All right, problem 2 on the test or on the quiz, little quiz, right? And this is for what, chapter 5? All right, so this is linear substitution, okay? Again, y equals 2x plus 6. Y equals 4x plus 8. Y equals, that means they both equal each other. That's it. These two equal each other. This takes us all the way back to chapter 1 where I got 2x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 8. This is any different? No different, right? It's the same problem. Different numbers. Same problem. Different numbers. Okay, now. Oh, you're not warm enough? Sorry. Alright, what do I do? Albie, what do I do?
What?
Oh, I just figured since you're on your phone, you know exactly what I need to do next. Tony, what do I do?
Do you flip it?
Is it from both sides?
Or do you do the opposite?
Opposite. I'm going to move the x, the lowest x, okay, by adding the opposite. What's the opposite of 2x? Negative 2x. What do I do to one side? I do to the other. So now I have 6 is equal to 2x plus 8. Right? Now it's just the opposite. Remember, this is like an onion. We're peeling off the outer pieces. You know how an onion has that nasty dry stuff and you peel that off? And it's pretty easy, right? Everybody know what an onion looks like? And that dry skin? That comes off really easy, doesn't it? Now, how many of you like to eat that yellow, brown, nasty skin that's hugging tight to the onion? How many like that?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, most people don't. It's nasty. It's old. It's sometimes dirty, even if you clean it. Okay? It's nasty. It's rubbery. It's not the onion. It's oxidized onion, right? So it's wilted and it's gross and it's nasty. So you peel it off, right? Okay? This is the gross, wilty onion piece right there. This is the shredded, really dry onion skin. That's easy. You're just easy. Pop it right off, right? That comes right off. That's the easiest part. It crumples, right? That's the easy part. Minus 8. Minus 8. Because it's further away. It's further away from the x. I can get rid of that easy. Okay? So I got minus 2 is equal to 2x. This one's attached to the x. It's like hugging. It's holding on tight. I need a little bit more power than adding or subtracting. I got to go to the next level. I got to put my fingers in there and I got to pry that skin off. I got to tear that skin, right? When you take that skin off of that onion, it peels off, right? It peels back the layer. Okay, that's what you're doing here. You're peeling off that layer. Okay? I always do the opposite. If it wants to be attached, I'm going to take it apart. Multiply, divide. Okay? Sorry, got excited. Negative 1 equals x. Okay? That's it. Now it's easy. It's all downhill. Because I have x, I just plug it in. Y equals 2x plus 6. Whatever x is negative 1. Okay. So I plug it in. X is negative 1. So I get negative 2 plus 6. What is negative 2 plus 6?
4.
There you go. Y equals 4. So I have an intersection. at -1 and 4. X and Y, the intersection. Okay? So I graph it. Right? So I graph that. -1 and 4. Okay? Now all my lines should go through that. If they don't, something went wrong. Okay? That's that simple. And I don't know how many times I had a young lady, Raven, working on this problem, and we go to graph it, and it's like, oh man, that's wrong. Oh man, that's wrong. Oh man, that's wrong. And then we had to look back and go, well, what did I do wrong? Because I had to have done something wrong if my graph isn't going to go through it, right?
Isn't that a positive for the Y?
Yes.
Yeah, I marked it in.
Perfect. I went -1 and -4, right? And I would have seen in a minute, but that's all right, that's good, all right? But I would have seen in a minute that that's where I went wrong, right? When I graph it, I'm like -1 and 4. Okay, -1, oh, 4 is up here. So, but when I graph this, y equals 2x plus 6, so I'm at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So I'm at 6, and then I'm up to, right? Up to and right 1. Okay? Up to and right 1. And I'm like, wait a minute. That's not going through that line. That doesn't go through that point. And then I relook at my point and I'm like, -1, 4. -1, oh, that's why. Because I'm on the wrong, I plugged it in wrong. This doesn't go here, it goes here. Well, that makes more sense. Now it's on the line. Okay? So now I do the other line. And hopefully the other line goes through it too, right? So the other line says y is equal to 4x plus 8. So I go up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And I go up 4 and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And it's like way up. I'm like, oh man. But I could go down 1, 2, 3, 4 and over 1. And oh, snaps. It goes right through it. Okay? And then you know, okay, we're here. We're good. Okay? This crosses right there. Alright? Did I get all that?